2013 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. God, what color is this? What do we call this? Burnt copper or burnt orange. There's probably a name for it. Let us know in the comments what the true name of it is. All right, guys? Anyways, factory converters, there and there. And then as you guys can see, true dual all the way back. And we did it in 2-inch. He wanted it as loud as possible. He lives in the country and he wants to compete with everybody else out there. So we did 2-inch all the way back. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and there, and put some 5-inch roll tips, our signature roll tips by 18s. There's the 2 resonators there and there, and the 2 tips. And then there's where it wires into a single right there. And as you guys can see, you always want to try to true dual them because there is no breathing out of that. It's really restricted. And it had a Flowmaster Super 10 on it. We took it off too. It's a knockoff. It wasn't even a real Super 10. There it is, 3-inch pipe. That's what it looks like after. A lot sexier, a lot nicer. Let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. We really need you guys to hit that subscribe button so we can grow and prosper. Yeah. There it is. Again. 119, bro. Yeah. That's awesome. Again. Stop. Go ahead. Nice idle to it too. That's so awesome, dude. Again? Got that crackle up pop, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside.